Managing notifications during SharePlay or screen mirroring on your iPhone 16 helps maintain privacy and prevents personal notifications from appearing while sharing your screen with others. Here's how it's done. First, head over to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. When you get in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Notifications. Scroll down again and tap on Screen Sharing. To stop or hide notification during screen time sharing, simply toggle the Allow Notifications switch off. Otherwise, toggle the switch on to show or allow notifications during screen sharing on your iPhone. Note that when notifications are allowed, others can also see your incoming messages and alerts during SharePlay or screen mirroring sessions. If you don't want your iPhone to work like this, then you better toggle the switch off. Keeping notifications off during screen sharing can prevent potentially sensitive information from being visible to others. This iPhone feature is crucial for maintaining privacy during screen sharing sessions, especially during presentations or when sharing content with other people. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.